I'm checking out the new snapshot. They just, I don't know if this was intentional or not, but they have given us a binary counter. So there's a new block out called the copper bulb. It's basically just your normal lamp. It's just this. It's just this. But the thing about the bulb is, so when I click this button for the redstone lamp, right? It only works when I click it. It doesn't have any existing power besides that. I don't. No, that would work. Yeah, that would work. Never mind. Anyways, you click this, it powers on, and then it turns off, right? If I do it with the bulb, it doesn't shut off. It stays on once you activate it, and then when you activate it again, it turns off. So it's a lever pretty much. It's essentially the same as just a lever, but a lever with activated powers. So if you activate the lever once, it works. If you activate it again, it turns off. But it can also be done with a button. What makes that useful is, unlike the lever is an input to itself. There's nothing more special. I can't use a comparator. Watch. I can't use a comparator to activate a lever. It has to entirely be activated by hand. This is one of the few items that it's just an input. It's an input that always needs a user interface. All right. What the bulb does is it gets rid of that entirely. And what makes it better is it can use a comparator. This thing, there's no power going into the bulb. It's staying on, but the comparator still uses it. And that has gotten me this. So I've built a lot of binary counters. They're kind of annoying, but they get the job done. I use Bedrock specifically, so on Bedrock we don't have the same usefulness of binary counters as in Java, because Java has like different mechanics on how redstone is residual in blocks, which I can't take advantage of because it's Bedrock. I kind of have to go with a really annoying design. I will preference this in a second, but I want to first show this off. So I have an insta counter here. So if I click this in binary, it is going up one at a time, like an actual binary counter should. So we go from 3, we got 4, we got 4, we got 5, we got 5, we got 6, we got 6, we got 7, and then we go up to 8. And then if I keep going like normal, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am currently at 15 in binary. This is the number 15 in binary. Well, technically 16 if you count 0, but in actual numerics, this is the number 15. There's a reset. I can reset it. If I pay attention to the code back here, it's basically just I just inverted the signal because obviously I would rather see the lights turn on the count rather than turn off, because it's confusing to count backwards, as you can see. But everything I just did is inputting correctly here. Actually, let's make this a lever. Fuck you. So as you can see, it is working perfectly as a binary counter. As you can also notice, it is, like I said, it's annoying. Like, I have to count these two, which is the number 10. I don't want to have to count 10 by looking at the off. I'd rather do it through here, through the on. The on makes it so much better. But, yeah, it works. The thing that makes the problem, though, this is exactly the problem I have in Bedrock, is if I do it again, you can see it kind of shifts the number on and off. So in terms of binary coding, you would rather them all turn off at once, so there's no interject of other codes mixing in. But since it does work like this, maybe there is a solution, most likely using this kind of system here, but implemented into here. So if it's not on continuously as a quick switch, maybe you could just implement some kind of thing like that, but I'm not going to deal with that right now. I just want to set up. This is what happens in Bedrock as well. I'm trying to build a computer in Bedrock. I can't do that. So if I flip this, they turn off one at a time, which I kind of really don't like. I'm just quickly fixing something. I got a weird thing going on there. But yeah, so oh, yeah. So that I just really wanted to show that off before I got into the main point of the stream, because I cannot tell you how excited I am to implement this because it's so annoying. I'm using Bedrock, and since I'm trying to code in Bedrock with binary, it is horrid. And since Bedrock doesn't use the same systems as Bedrock doesn't use the same systems as Java, this just took my actual system I use in Bedrock and makes it 1,000 times easier. There may be a way. Oh wait, actually, no way. Wait, is it? Will I have the ability to pre? No wait, I need to test something. Okay, so I want to default the code. Uh, how does this? Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. I was gonna do a whole system of I wanted to pre-program it. Yeah, I can't do that because then as soon as I mess with this one, it's gonna mess with the next one. So I turn. Oh yeah, and since okay. Oh yeah, it is on. Never mind. Never mind. Anyways,